Hi everyone, so I'm back with a video. This is a collaboration video with Rach and Bella Crafts, and it's the Christmas Craft Off 24. This is the last day of the collaboration, which is November 30th, and the other creator that is on today is The PaperShed UK. I will tag them below. I will also tag all the relevant information to Rach and Bella's kit that I'm using. I've just printed off some bits, and my theme for today is a classical collage strips. So I printed off a few bits because I am going to make a journal. I was hoping to get the journal done and then make the collage strips and then put them in, but time has got away from me. It's been a busy couple of weeks. So there's a few kits. Like I said, I will link everything below in the description box, but this is what I've got to play with, and I may bring some other little bits in. I did print this sheet two to a page, the other bit somewhere else. So I may cut little bits out of it as well. So stay tuned and watch me make my collage strips. So here I'm just using some cardstock, and I'm going to cut my strips. I was going to do it at 8, and then I thought, no, I've printed the paper a little bit smaller for the journal that I am going to make. So I done it at 7.5 by 2 inches, 7.5 inches by 2 inches, and I cut 4 strips. Now you can make your collage strips as long or as wide as you prefer, but that's just what I'm doing on this. I actually wrote on one of the pieces just in case I forgot, because I'm getting forgetful. So here I've prepared some of the papers and some of the ephemera from the kits. And like I said, the links will be below if you want to go over and check out all the links. I'd also like to say thank you for asking me to take part in this collaboration. This is the second one that I've done with Rach and Bella Crafts, and it's always been fun. Check out all the other ladies. There will be a link below as well, where you can go and you can see everybody's videos for like the whole 30 days of November. So please go and check that out. So I'm just going to shush now, and you can just watch the process of me tearing paper, gluing it, and making my collage strips. And if you do have any questions, you can ask in the description box below. And yeah, just enjoy the process.